Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Today guys, on that BMW E46 guys, we'll show you we have engine light on and a few codes, so stay with us to see if you have those codes, what to expect and how to fix that. Let me start the car quick. We're going to connect our powerful diagnostic 2. Okay, and you're going to check it out. Engine light is on. Okay, and another thing that we noticed, okay, we have the temperature right now saying 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So something's wrong there. Sometimes it shows negative 40, sometimes 122. So right now, okay, we're ready to connect the two guys. We're using the Maxi right here, 908P. We'll have the links guys in the description of the video. Check it out. This one is very powerful too, and it works on any car. We've used it on so many cars, probably more than 50 cars with no problems. Really powerful too, and what I like about it is the updates. So what I'm going to do, this is the device that will connect to the OBD port. Okay, and OBD port is right here on this one. Underneath, it's a little bit hidden. Okay, we're going to turn the ignition on, and then we can get the tablet actually right here. Okay, we'll go to diagnostic and let's see if it can read the... it hasn't connected yet. You can see right here it has a red cross, so we need to wait for it. Okay, it's going to connect. Oh, now it's green. Okay, and let's see if we can do the auto detect to detect what kind of vehicle we have. Okay, sometimes it will not work, sometimes you have to manually select it, or if you put your VIN number manually, it will do it. In our case, I don't want to spend the time to go ahead and do that, so you can actually go and find, for our case, BMW, and put it okay right here, and we need to select this one. It's a 2005 E46 330 Ci. Okay, so we'll go to manual selection right here, 3 Series E46. Okay, let's go to the 330 convertible, 330 Ci convertible M54 engine. It's the USA edition and our date is 2005. Okay, we are going to confirm and let's connect to the computer now and see what the problem is. It's going to take a little bit to communicate. You can see our battery is running a little bit low, but nothing to do with that. You can see we have 11.35 volts. Okay, it's not equipped with the BMW 20 pin connector, which we actually have here for the diagnostic 2. Okay, so we're going to go to diagnostic, control unit, drive, and let's select the engine module. You can connect to any computer without any module, so you have so much freedom. Okay, let's read the codes and see what we have now. Okay, ambient temperature sensor communication. That's the code 2F9A. You can see right here. So that's where our problem is. Okay, right here. No information on when it happened. So this is the temperature sensor, guys. So let me show you what this one is now. Okay guys, so if you use actually a small scanner like that, you have a generic code P0070, which is the same code as the other one, but the other one is more specific. But you can use a small scanner like that. You don't need anything fancy as well. Okay guys, so you can see, okay, right in front of the front left tire, we hit something and it knocked the sensor out of there. So our ambient temperature sensor is not present. So we got one, okay, right here now. So we're going to go ahead guys, replace this one and see if it fixes the code. Stay with us and let's see how that's gonna work now. Okay guys, so if you have the sensor, I installed it just to show you how to replace it if you have one. You grab it with 2 fingers, okay, and you push it in. Okay, it's gonna get loose. Feed it a little bit through the hole, pull it out. Okay, and now right here, okay, this thing you need to pry up and pull it out. this is the sensor. When you're ready to install a new one, all you gotta do, guys, okay, go the right way, push in until it clicks. You need to feed the wire in, the sensor in like that, go through the little hole here, okay, grab it from the front, okay, and just pull it until it clicks, okay, just like that. So that's how you do it, guys. Alright guys, so we deleted the code. As you can see, started the vehicle, and everything works perfectly fine. Ignore our traction control light, okay, that's because we put a new battery and we haven't driven enough to clear the code, but you can see temperature is showing, no engine light on, so that definitely fixed the problem. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.